Hello class, and welcome to your Project Management Journal extra credit assignment. What I wanted to do is I just wanted to quickly walk you through exactly what we've got set up for you here. Now, this is going to be similar to journaling activities that you've seen either in my class previously or in other courses, but this one is going to have a project management perspective. Now, this course is only 6 weeks long, which means that you get 5 points a week for 6 weeks, which is 30 points possible as extra credit added to your grade. Let's go ahead and jump in. You'll see that from the dashboard area, you'll be able to see that you've got the project management journaling activity that if you click on and go into, it's going to give you this information. I give you the course learning objectives, what we're going to address, and there's 2 documents in here I think that are going to be valuable for you. The first one is called A Fresh Tool. Let's pull it up here, for effective leaders, and it was a blog that was done by Mari McCarthy, and I've copied it in here, but it's got 4 key areas that I think are really important for you. 1, it gives you the explanation for why keeping a log of difficult decisions is critical for you. 2, writing out plans for improvement. 3, record unusual events or anomalies. And 4, developing personal awareness. Now, under that personal lens, under that theme, what we've done is we've kind of used that to create, I'll call it the perspective for you in this journal. So once again, your project management journal, you cover that. That's that first article, reading that, and then I've created a template again for you, 10 questions that I want you to answer. Pick 3 or 4 of these that you think fit a project management perspective. Now, what we're trying to do is we're trying to create a higher level of self-awareness for you. So this gives you a description of it. Blow that part away, and then in each one of these, take a look at it. These are similar to questions to what you had in 608B, but they're twisted a little bit differently because they've got the perspective of project management. What's present for me now? What's going well? What's challenging for me? What belief, attitude, or action, paradigm, by your contribution is what is challenging for you? Number 5, what needs my attention? Number 6, what is meaningful? 7, what strengths do I notice in myself? 8, what strengths and contributions do I notice in others? 9, what am I learning? And number 10, what am I committed to? What am I committed to? So remember, those areas are the areas that we want you to journal to. Now, I'm going to jump back out of this document and back into the area, and you'll see that I've got 6 different areas for you to go into. Each one of these is set up by the week. It's in the course module also. So when you jump into the course module for module 1, at the bottom of it, you'll see the management journal, or you can access it here. You simply click on the link. It's going to drive you to the journal activity. You'll see that you've got the opportunity to gain those points that we talked about, okay? And the grading rubric is picking 3 to 4 areas that I want you to contribute in, okay? And if you fill the perspective out from a project management lens, I think you're going to find that this is not only an easy assignment, something very, very valuable for you. In addition to that, once you get to the end of the course, you're going to find that you're going to be doing certain activities, best practices, lessons learned, and having this journaled activity completed is going to make filling out those assignments a lot easier at the end of the course. Well, that's your your project management journaling activity. It's the extra credit. Remember, this is voluntary. You don't have to do it, but if you do, you do get credit for it. Okay? Have a great day. Bye-bye.